individual runic code, the blank rune as the rune of fate. Such a person has come without primary karma. He has no particular task here. On the one hand, this is good. It means he carries no specific burden. He came here pure, he came empty. But on the other hand, this is bad. It means that not only does he have no task for this incarnation, but he also has no initial rights. He passed through purgatory, he passed through liberation, he reset his consciousness and came here with an absolutely zero existential volume. There is nothing behind him. He is starting everything from scratch. On the one hand, zero isn't bad, it isn't negative, because many people come here with a negative existential volume. But on the other hand, it isn't positive either, meaning it won't give him anything. He will have to earn everything through effort. He will have to strive with effort. Yet this does guarantee a certain degree of freedom. He is attached to nothing. He can serve whichever gods he wishes, pray to whichever forces he chooses. But the thing is, nothing falls into his hands by itself. He has to earn everything. Even in love, he has to work for it. He has to build relationships, not wait for them to grow on their own. It's hard for him to have children, and it's hard for him to make money. Everything comes with difficulty, nothing is easy, and no one helps him.